Ever wondered what digital marketing is and why it's important? Why does it seem to permeate every discussion about business, advertising, and consumer trends? Well, buckle up because today we're diving deep into the world of digital marketing. Imagine a marketplace bustling with people, vendors shouting out their wares, customers haggling, and goods exchanging hands. Now translate that scene into the digital world. That, in essence, is digital marketing. It's the process of connecting with and influencing potential customers online. It's how businesses get their message across in the digital age, where screens have become the new storefronts. Digital marketing is an umbrella term that encompasses several components. First, there's search engine optimization, or SEO. It's the art and science of making a website attractive to search engines. It's about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they are seeking, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. This knowledge allows businesses to connect with people who are searching online for the solutions that they offer. Next, we have content marketing, a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It's not about pitching your products or services, but providing truly relevant and useful content to your prospects and customers to help them solve their issues. Social media marketing, another major component, leverages the power of social media platforms to promote a product or a service. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to achieve marketing and branding goals. Email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, affiliate marketing, and online PR are other crucial aspects of digital marketing. Each of these components works together to create an online presence, drive traffic, and convert that traffic into customers. But how does digital marketing work? It starts with identifying the business's goals and target audience. Once that's clear, a strategy is developed that includes the right mix of the components we just discussed. This strategy is then implemented, monitored, and tweaked as necessary to ensure it achieves the desired results. Remember, digital marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for a particular business, its audience, and its goals. It's a dynamic, constantly evolving field that requires marketers to stay on top of trends, technology, and consumer behavior. So, why is it important? Well, in a world where people are increasingly spending their time online, digital marketing offers businesses a way to reach their audience where they are. It allows for targeted marketing, where businesses can tailor their messages to specific demographics, increasing the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. In summary, digital marketing is the process of connecting with customers online using a variety of methods and platforms. It includes components like SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and more. It works by identifying a business's goals and target audience, developing a strategy, and implementing it. And it's important because it allows businesses to reach their audience in an increasingly digital world. So, the next time you're scrolling through your social media feed or using a search engine, remember, there's a whole world of digital marketing working behind the scenes, trying to connect you with the products and services that you need. And who knows, you might just be part of that world someday.